Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite using Xbox Cloud Gaming. This service lets you stream hundreds of games directly to your phone, tablet, or computer without needing a powerful console. You can jump into Fortnite instantly, enjoying the full experience without any downloads or installations. It's a fantastic way to access your favorite battle royale game on the go, or even on devices that typically wouldn't run it. To begin, simply open your web browser and navigate to the Xbox Cloud Gaming website, or use the dedicated Xbox app on your device. Fortnite is unique because it's one of the few titles you can play for free, without needing an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription. Just sign in with your Microsoft account, and your Fortnite progress and items will be ready for you to enjoy across all platforms. For the best experience, a stable internet connection is crucial. Aim for at least 20 megabits per second download speed. While touch controls are an option, using a compatible Xbox wireless controller or another supported gamepad will significantly enhance your gameplay. To minimize latency, play as close as possible to your Wi-Fi router or consider a wired Ethernet connection if available. Xbox Cloud Gaming offers incredible flexibility, allowing you to enjoy Fortnite on nearly any device you own, from a smartphone to a laptop. You don't need to invest in expensive hardware. The game runs on Microsoft's powerful servers. This means you get high-quality graphics and smooth performance streamed directly to you, making Fortnite accessible to more players than ever before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.